This is Buckle Down page 179, lesson practice part 2. Number 1, which is the best estimate of the perimeter of the figure? Let's see, here to here is 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here to here is 5. Here to here is 6. Here to here is 5. So perimeter is adding all sides. So we have 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5. So that is equal to 22. So closest one is choice C. Number 2, what is the perimeter of the figure in meters? Okay, perimeter once again is add all sides. Here to here is 80 meters. Here to here is 17 meters. So here to here is 80 meters. And here to here is 17 meters. Keep in mind, opposite sides are congruent. Since this is 80, this is 80. Since this is 17, this is 17. Well, what about this one? Well, this is just an extra information that you do not need to find perimeter. Keep in mind, perimeter is equal to add all sides. Okay, so let's add 80 plus 80 plus 17 plus 17. That'll be 14, carry 1. There's a 16, 17, 18, 19. So it is 194. All right, let's look at number 3. What is the perimeter of a square with a side length of 32 millimeters? So you have a square. Side is 32 millimeters. Since it's a square, this side is also 32. This is 32. This is 32. And perimeter is adding all sides. So you need to add 32, 32, 32, 32. 32 4 times because there are 4 sides and each side is 32 millimeters. All right. So there will be 128 millimeters. Number 4. Mr. Longoria's property is bordered on 3 sides by roads and on 1 side by a river. The map shows the borders of his land. Which is the best estimate of the perimeter of Mr. Longoria's land? Okay, it's just a matter of counting around this shape. Here to here is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here to here is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's 1. and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once again, perimeter is add all sides. So we have 4, 4, 5, 1. 4, 4, 5, 1. Let's add. Here's 9, 10, 15. So closest one, since this estimate is 14. Okay, number 5. What is the perimeter of the figure? Okay, once again, perimeter, add all sides. So we need to add 15 plus 10 plus 15 plus 7 plus 13 plus 13 plus 7. Plus 10 plus 15 plus 7 plus 13 plus 13 plus 7. Let's double check. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides, which means I should have 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's add. 5 and 5 is 10. 10 and 7 is 17. 17 and 3 is 20. 20 and 3 is 23. 23 and 7 is 30. Carry 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 80 centimeters. Thanks.